Welcome to Digital Learning. Dear students, we are studying the course Organizational Behavior of 5th semester BBA of Mangalore University. We are in Unit 2, Session 23. Today's topic is Functions of Attitude. In the last session, we have studied the formation of attitude. From today's session, we will be able to understand the functions and role of attitude. That's the objective of today's session. According to California Management Review 1995, an analysis based on extensive review of surveys of employers concluded that the most important consideration in hiring and biggest deficit among new workforce entrants are attitudes. According to Descartes, attitudes have four important functions: adjustment, defensive, value expressive, and knowledge function. Let us discuss them one by one. First function is adjustment function. Attitudes often help people to adjust to their environment. When employees are well treated, they are likely to develop positive attitude towards management and say good things about the management. Otherwise, they will develop negative attitude towards management and organization. It helps employees to adjust to their environment. Second function is the ego defensive function. People often form and maintain certain attitudes to protect their own self-images. For example, workers may feel threatened by employment or advancement of minority or female workers in their organization. These threatened workers may develop prejudice against new workers, that new workers are less qualified and mistreat them. This happens. Such ego defensive attitude is formed. Unless this attitude is removed, this attitude remains unchanged. Second function is the ego defensive function. Ego defensive attitude is aroused by internal and external threats, frustrating experiences, by pressures previously passed, by suggestions from authority. Ego defensive functions or ego defensive systems are difficult to change. For example, an employee encounters a frustrating experience at work, hurts his ego. He displaces his aggression by directing it to family members. It can be removed by therapeutic means. Third function is value expressive function. This attitudinal function contains three aspects. First one is it helps express the attitudes, individuals' central values and self-identity. It also helps individuals define their self-concept and facilitated the adoption of subculture values considered important. Third one, expressive function helps individuals adopt and internalize the values of group they have recently joined, and as a consequence they are better able to relate to group. Fourth function is attitudes provide the standard or frames of reference by which an individual judges individuals or events. Attitudes provide that consistency is in our thinking are relevant. Knowledge function of attitude is observed more in consumer behavior. Attitudes helps maintain stable, organized and meaningful structure of their world. To summarize, we can say functions of attitudes affect the individual's way of interpreting the information coming to them. Since attitudes intervene between work environment and work responses, information about how people feel about their job can be quite useful in prediction about work response. Thus, these types of attitudes can portray areas of investigation for making the individual and organization more compatible. These are the books for further studies. There are some questions here. First one is, according to dash, attitudes serve four important functions such as adjustment, defensive, value expressive, and knowledge function. Descartes, Keith Davis, Alport, Henry Fayol. Second one, when employees are well treated, they are likely to develop positive attitudes towards management and say good things about the management. This is an example for dash function: defensive, adjustment, knowledge, expressive. An employee encounters a frustrating experience at work. It hurts to his ego. He displays his aggression by directing it to his family members. This is an example for dash function: ego defensive, knowledge expressive, adjustment. Fourth question is, expressive function helps individuals adopt and dash the values of group they have recently joined, and as a consequence they are better able to relate to group. Internalize, include, exclude, none of the above. Fifth question, the knowledge function of attitude is observed more in employee behavior, conflict, consumer behavior, none of the above. Answers are given here. For the first question A, second question B, third question A, fourth question A, fifth question C. Thank you for listening to the class.